was a deadly weapon in the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, then the court will enter an affirmative finding. 2790 and 2022 CR 10495, State of Texas versus Keenan Brown. Do I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Arlene Gay for the defendant.
All right. And are you Mr. Brown? Counsel, have you received all the discovery in each case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, all the cases we're pleading on, except for one notation I was told today.
Judge, so on cause number 2022 CR 2790, there was a audio file that was mentioned in the prosecution guide from one of the witnesses. I had reached out to SAPD because we did not have that in our possession. SAPD reached out and said that they didn't have it. They updated me today, and that's when I told defense about it.
It's the conversation is noted.
Yes.
It's just the recording. If there was one ever made, it was not, and they told me, and that's one of the cases he's taken a plea on today.
All right. And knowing that, do you still wish to continue with the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Brown, do you still wish to continue with the plea? I got it.
Yes, ma'am.
And are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
And each cause number, I'm going to show you the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovering each cause number. And in each cause number, Mr. Brown, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And in the cause number ending in 2790, state, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, the state is going to waive the repeat offender enhancement, but otherwise proceeding on the case as presented.
Any objection?
No objection.
Cause number ending in 2790, you're charged with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And the cause number ending in 10495, you're charged with the offense of robbery. Each of those offenses are second-degree felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Each of the cause numbers, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There are no applications. The cause numbers will run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2022 CR 2791, 2023 CR 5662. This is to run concurrent with your federal case 22 CR 246. And did you understand that if the court finds that there was a deadly weapon in the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, then the court will enter an affirmative finding of deadly weapon? Did you understand that? Did you understand that to be your plea bargain agreements in each of the cause numbers? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
495, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And in cause number 2022 CR 2790, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's pleas?
State offers State Exhibit 1 in both cases. It's different States Exhibit 1s.
No objection.
All right. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, in each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, we're just asking that the court follow the plea bargain, and I'd like to address the documentation of back time in this matter.
Okay. Then in cause number 2022 CR 10459, the court is finding you guilty. Court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 2790. Take in consideration 2022 CR 2791 and 2023 CR 5662. This will run concurrent with federal cause number 22 CR 246 and counting in 2022 CR 2790. The court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit from credit for any time served beginning February 16th, 2022 through today.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 10495, the federal case 22 CR 246. Take in consideration 2022 CR 2791. 2023 CR 5662. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that case?
No, Your Honor.
And we can go off the record. How old are you?
34.
All right, you're 34. And it appears that you determined to spend a lot of time in custody. After this time, you need to sit at the jail, sit at the prison, and think about, why am I here? How did I get here? Do I really want to live my life? Institutionalize. Because if you do, what's going to end up happening is at some point, you're going to be labeled as a habitual offender. And in Texas, when you're a habitual offender, depending on the offense, your minimum starts at 25 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're going to have to change your ways. And if you have an anger issue, you need to work on it. All right. Good luck to you. You're welcome.
What began as 2 serious felony cases ended with a sentence that could have been much harsher. At just 34 years old, Keenan Brown stood before the court facing convictions for robbery and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, offenses that carried the possibility of decades behind bars. While the plea agreement secured concurrent 5-year sentences, the judge's final words revealed the deeper issue at the heart of this case, a pattern of choices leading back to prison. As the courtroom fell silent, the judge warned Brown that Texas has little patience for repeat offenders. She explained that if he continued down the same path, he could eventually face habitual offender status, where the minimum sentence can start at 25 years. It was a moment that felt less like punishment and more like a final opportunity for reflection. Will this prison term be the wake-up call that changes the course of his life? Or will it become another stop in a cycle that ends with even harsher consequences? Only time will tell.